Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rev, and we're so glad that you're here. Today is a huge day. We're going to take this chopper that we've been working on all winter long out for its very first miles. Admittedly, this was not the best way to start this adventure in that the bike had sat for a couple of weeks and I did not yet have a second battery tender, so I'm having to jump it off here. Kind of embarrassing, but it is what it is. This is a big moment. I've been waiting for this for months as we have completely torn this bike down and put it back together. At the same time, I've never questioned anything more in my life than I'm questioning myself right now. Like, did I torque everything down properly? Did I forget to tighten something that's just going to fall apart? Yeah, it's an odd sensation. Right here, I'm realizing how important a front fender is. See that water on the bridge? Well, I just got a face full of it, mixed in with some road grime. It really is remarkable how effective a front fender is. Thrilled with many aspects of this bike, but one of the things I love most is just that exhaust tone. To me, it sounds so deep and good, and I just love being able to roll into the throttle. We're rolling through downtown Concord here as we make our way over to Prism Supply Co. As I've mentioned in videos before, Prism Supply was absolutely instrumental in getting this bike together. I've used a ton of their products on this build and can't say enough good things about them. Jake and Mitch were excited to see the bike, and I am just grateful that they took time out of their busy day to come outside and check it out. For those of you who might be wondering, this is a 1996 Sportster 883. I specifically sought this year model, or a small range of year models, between like 93 and 2000, because I really wanted the Sportster model prior to the rubber engine mounts. I cannot describe the sensation of riding this motorcycle. It is so raw, it is so basic, and wonderful all at the same time. There's no speedometer, there's no turn signals, there are no mirrors, there's no front brake. It is just machine. Not a lot of muscle, but machine nonetheless, and I am absolutely thrilled with how it turned out. Frankly, I'm a little sad that this project is over, and we're already starting to talk about the next one. I really am very fortunate that I am married to someone who understands and recognizes the passion and borderline addiction that I have for all things two wheels. I was sharing on a recent vacation of ours how I was sad that this project was wrapping up, and she responded and said, "Why would you be sad? It just means you can start another one." So let us know in the comments, what should our next bike build project look like? I'm thinking off-road sporty, dirt bike sporty, maybe cafe racer sporty, but let us know what you think in the comments down below. Something else about this project that turned out exceptionally well, better than expected actually, was the paint. We wanted to do as much of this project as we could on our own, and so we decided to go ahead and paint the bike as well. Now, it's nothing terribly intricate, but we did order the paint from a company in Miami, Florida called Tropical Glitz, and this is their Cosmic series. So there's a lot of rainbow flake that video and pictures just don't do justice. You have to see it to fully appreciate it. But it was done right here in our garage covered with a 2K clear, and we are very excited and pleased with how it turned out. It's only appropriate that the inaugural ride on this bike would conclude at the pub with Uncle Old School. Look at that beautiful blue Road Glide. Everybody tell him how sexy it is. A fun little surprise on the way home, I ran into my son who was out riding his e-bike, and so got to ride the rest of the way home with him, which was kind of cool. Maybe in a few years, he'll be on a bike just like this. That's going to do it for this episode. A great first ride, and can't wait to log many more miles on this bike. If you'd like to follow along, we would love to have you like, share, subscribe, do all the things. And until we meet again, you all know the drill. Let's keep them revved.